Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm doing a short review and swatch video of the new Fenty Mattemoiselle lipsticks. I asked you guys on Twitter if you guys wanted a 5-minute like quick review video situation on here, or if you wanted just a swatch video on IG, and you guys voted for this 5-minute review video. So I'm gonna cap this at 5 minutes. It's not going over. That's it. 5 minutes. It's done. Midnight Wasabi looks like this, and it has the FB imprinted on the top. It is a bit darker in person, and then Shorty is like a mid-toned brownish shade. This one today with this look that I have on right now, so I'm gonna swatch Midnight Wasabi first. I want to know what that first swipe is like, so let's see. And I won't cover my mouth this time, because I know I did that with the Stunner video. I'm so sorry. I wanted to be sure that I was like showing you guys my first impression, because I didn't want the FB to be gone. So yeah, I didn't even take pictures of these. I'll grab them for the website for the thumbnail. So this is Midnight Wasabi.
Yeah, FB starts going away like immediately.
Midnight Wasabi is different. I don't have anything like this, so that's mainly why I bought it, but I think it's popping, personally. I do have to be somewhere, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on Shorty with the liner. Actually, no, I'm gonna do it without a liner. I probably don't need it. I'm gonna put on Shorty, and then I'm gonna go where I have to go, come back, and let you guys know my initial thoughts on where and if it transfers or not, because I know Stunner transfers that green tint though. And this is Shorty. She's like a orangey brown. I don't know how to explain it. Like, it's cute though. I don't mind it, and I'm very picky when it comes to my lipstick colors, because not everybody's nude is my nude, and not everybody's like bold color is my bold color. So I'm gonna come back later and let you guys know what I think about the product so far, as far as wear and if it transfers, things like that. So yeah, so I'm back. I'm zoomed in on my lips because I took my lashes off. I don't even have this stabilized. I'm just kind of holding it. But this is the Shorty plush matte. It's very comfortable. It kind of just feels dry around that area where like the inside of your lip meets the outside of your lip. But other than that, it feels really comfortable. I would say it does transfer. It's not transfer proof. It does have a wearing ability similar to Stunner, where it transfers and it's comfortable, but like it wears easy. Like, you'll notice the wearing of it, like, you know when you have to do a touch-up. I didn't do a touch-up today because I wanted to see how it wore on its own without touching up, and this is it. If you guys like this 5-minute cap kind of video, let me know if you like it. Give it a thumbs up and we can do more of them. So yeah, see you later.